please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Tata Steel was really the stock of yesterday. Nigel joins in to tell us what brokerages have made of that big deal. Nigel.
Well, yesterday Tata Steel took a sharp knock. In fact, the brokerages, they have come out with their notes now overnight, and we have Citi. They have a buy rating with a target price of around 830 rupees. They say yes, the Bhushan Steel acquisition could come in at a higher multiple, and that could hurt the fair value a bit. But they're saying that if in fact Tata Steel uses the captive ore, that's iron ore, for the Bhushan Steel plant, that could push up the EBITDA per ton by nearly around 3,000 to around 4,000 rupees. CLSA as well, they have a buy rating on the stock, a target price of around 920 rupees. They're positive on the overall steel demand in India, owing to the demand-supply mismatch as well. And they're saying, they're looking out for various other details in terms of this deal, the deal structure, the iron ore integration, as well as the backward integration. So the stock could bounce back in today's trade.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Could bounce back. I mean, most of the brokerages have continued to endorse a buy on Tata Steel. Okay, let me just look at the PSU banks. That was the one that was the worst performing sector. Remember, it fell 2.5%, but at one point it was down 3.5%. The only thing that I could point out is that if you looked at the delivery-based figures of those stocks, it's not very heavy in terms of delivery-based selling. It looks like more trader-based selling, and therefore there is a chance that the selling is over. Also, I want to point out to the valuations. Whenever you've seen PSU banks go below half times book, and you already have BOB, Bank of India at half times book, Union Bank even below half book, usually you have seen buying coming in. So I just want to put that on the table. I'm not trying to say that they're going to start going green today, but it's just an observation that over time, when they go below half book, buying has emerged.
Attractive. And I think that's the view that a lot of global investors have as well. We did speak with Jonathan Sheasel a while back. He said he likes PSU banks. Let's hear what global guru Mark Mobius and Sanjay Dutt of Quantum Securities have to say on the ongoing PNB fraud case, and also how to approach the financial sector right now. Listen in.
The Indian government is going to step in and say, look, we will not allow this bank to get into trouble, and we'll work something out at the end of the day. So I'm not that worried about it, because we realize that these things do happen. The good news is the fact that it did come out, that it was revealed, means that all the banks will be ultra careful to look at their systems. I would start with the banks. The fact that you've had this this situation with the banks are going to continue to survive and thrive. And I would focus on those banks that are improving their digital offering, because, as you know, there are incredible improvements being made in the digital side. And the government's efforts, by the way, this is one government reform that's been very beneficial in setting up this payment system on a national basis. Is going to be incredible boost for banks who, and this is the big who, will be able to utilize that advantage.
So in my opinion, I may buy it down at 115, 140, whatever the price is. It may go down to 100 rupees, but at least I'm reasonably confident with all the numbers realistically that I'm looking at in front of me, which clearly, and I took on PHP intentionally because that's the one which is causing all the crisis for everyone in PSU banks. I'm reasonably confident with a 50,000 crores net worth, and you're getting the bank at a core value of 16,000 crores. So why wouldn't I buy it? I will buy it, and I will see it in the next 12 to 18 months, again, closer to its book value, which will be 50,000 crores, 45,000 crores, even if you adjust it, 40,000 crores.
Okay, that's the view from Sanjay Dutt on PNB, where he stuck his neck out. Anisha, are you watching out for JSW Energy?
Well, Anuj, we've heard a lot about the company investing into the electric vehicle space. We had heard earlier that they're looking to set up a manufacturing facility in Gujarat, and now we understand that a part of the Mumbai and the Maharashtra conclave that is going on, they have announced that they've signed a MOU with the Maharashtra government to set up a manufacturing unit in Maharashtra. Remember, the company is looking to invest 4,000 crores over the next 2-3 years on that. But do remember, this is a MOU as of now. We have been waiting to hear who's the partner when it comes to the electric vehicle space, because given the company does not have much experience in that space. So we'll watch out for more developments, but might react positively on that note.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. And someone who has a lot of experience in the electric vehicle space is also investing into this space. That's M&M. So M&M will also be in focus as part of the Maharashtra conclave. They too have made an announcement that they will make an additional investment of 500 crores into electric vehicles. This is in addition to the ongoing 6,500 crores sum that they have for their expansion plan into the electric vehicle space. This investment will be made at the Chakan plant for product development, and they've come out with a launch pipeline as well. 2 electric vehicles will be launched by 2019. Currently, their capacity is about 100 electric vehicles per day. And as we know that they're looking to expand very, quickly into this electric vehicle space. Recently, they tied up with EESL as well for that big electric vehicle deal. But Anisha, you're also watching out for Techno Electric and IndiGrid?
Well, yes, we've heard about a lot of acquisitions coming in from IndiGrid InvIT, and today we heard the same. Now they have signed a definitive agreement with Techno Electric to pick up the Patran transmission company at a purchase consideration of 232 crores. Now, in terms of the valuation, it does look like a very fair value when it comes to IndiGrid, because this is just at 3% premium to the independent valuation. As far as Techno Electric is concerned, as per the latest presentation, it was expected to add around 1,000 crore worth of revenue over the next 30-35 years to the company, with an annual revenue of around 30 crores. Now, in terms of the valuation, it doesn't look a great upside as far as Techno Electric is concerned, but definitely will aid the balance sheet, and that's why I might react positively.